Our verse for today, Zephaniah chapter 3 verse 17. The Lord your God is in your midst, a mighty one who will save. He will rejoice over you with gladness. He will quiet you by his love. He will exalt over you with loud singing. We are never alone. We are believers in God and He is in our midst. Of course, the omnipresent God is everywhere, within the created order for believers. However, God is present in a special way. God dwells with us in our midst. God says, I will live with them and walk among them, and I will be their God, and they will be my people. And He says, I will be a father to you, and you will be my sons and daughter. 2 Corinthians chapter 6 verse 16 to 18. What does this mean for us? For one, it means that there is a mighty God in our midst who will save us. It means that there is an almighty God in our midst for whom nothing is impossible. Luke chapter 1 verse 37. And it means that this is almighty God is willing to save us. We have no reason to fear. Then because if God is for us, who can be against us? Romans chapter 8 verse 31. It also means that our Almighty God will rejoice over us with gladness. God is not put out by being in our midst. It is not something that He resents and endures. He enjoys it. He enjoys being with us, and He rejoices over us. The prophet Isaiah says, as the bridegroom rejoices over the bride, so shall your God rejoice over you. Isaiah chapter 62 verse 5. It's good to know that our Almighty God likes being with us. Further, it means that He will quiet us with His love. We are excitable creatures. All the cares and concern of life can upset us. We are prone to fear and worry. Our faith tends to dissipate under pressure, and we may emphatically express our fears and worries frantically. God, however, quiets us. He quiets us with His loving presence. Although our problems may remain for a while, His loving presence comforts us and quiet us down. Finally, our Almighty God exalts over us with loud singing. It is difficult to imagine an Almighty God so elated about us that He jubilantly exalts over us with triumphant joy and loud singing. That, however, is what our verse for today says about our God. It is very good thing to have God in our midst. May our God bless and protect us always, and may our God bless our verse for today. Keep praying and keep read the Bible and keep listening the sermon. God bless us all. Thank you so much.